Hello students, today we will learn kinds of sentences. But before that, let's consider sentence. A group of words that makes complete sense is called a sentence. Words का combination जो proper meaning बनाए उसे कहते हैं sentence. Like daily, an apple, eat, I. इन words का कोई meaning नहीं है. So this is incorrect. The correct sentence is I eat an apple daily. I is subject, eat is verb, an apple is object. Subject is who does the action, जो काम करता है. Verb is action. I eat, I खाता है, क्या खाता है? An apple. So object is receiver of action. So this proper combination of subject, verb and object and which makes proper meaning also is called sentence. And another thing is, sentence can consist of one or more clauses. Clauses contain main clause or subordinate clause which we will do later in detail. यहाँ है the bird felt hungry and it ate the apple. यहाँ two main clauses हैं. The bird felt hungry, it ate the apple. Means it can be combination of two sentences also. Now we will start with kinds of sentences. First kind is assertive or declarative sentence. A sentence that makes statement or declares something जो कुछ बताता है. Like she likes gardening. This is affirmative sentence or positive also जो हमें yes में बताता है. She likes gardening. She does not like gardening. This is a negative sentence जो no में बताता है. She does not like gardening. So this both in positive or negative way, these both sentences come in assertive or declarative sentence. Second example is I am writing a letter. Affirmative or positive sentence जो yes में बताता है I am writing. I am not writing a letter. In negative जो no में बताता है I am not writing a letter. But these both positive and negative sentence come in assertive or declarative sentence. Second kind is imperative sentence. A sentence that expresses order, request, advice or instruction. वो sentences जिसमें order हो, request की जाए, advice हो, instruction हो या suggestion हो. Like please give me a pen. This is a request. Please give me a pen. Let's go for a walk. This is a suggestion or invitation. Let's go for a walk. Obey your parents. This is an order. Obey your parents. And one thing more, the subject will be missing. किसको कहा जा रहा है? Obey your parents. Like you obey your parents. Subject is missing here. Next is do not make a noise. This is an order. Do not make a noise. And moreover, subject is missing. किसको कहा जा रहा है? Class, do not make a noise. So, these type of sentences where subject will be missing and moreover, it will be in shape of giving order, request, advice, instruction or suggestion are called imperative sentences.